Hey guys, it's Eric. Check this old girl out, and I mean old. Best guess, 79 to 82 era. Haven't been able to read the stickers well enough to know for sure, but it is vintage. And this is one that I'm actually going to fix up and flip. Now you would say, you're going to fix up this old girl and flip it? But yeah, man, I am. I'm gonna kind of sand it down a little bit. I'm gonna leave the green, but I'm gonna maybe put a coat of flat black on some of those areas that have a little bit of surface rust. I've got a replacement seat here. I've got inner tubes for the tires. I'm gonna sharpen the blades, replace the belts, make sure that engine is running, and we're gonna go with it. And I'm gonna bring you along on this trip. I wanted to fix this thing last year when I first got it, but because of my back injury, I wasn't able to do that. Well, my back is feeling better. Spring is definitely here. And it's definitely time to get this thing going. Check it out. I mean, it's a little sad looking right now. I'm going to try to keep those natural ribbed tires in there. Don't know. I mean, I've got tubes for them. They are pretty bad though, so we'll see how that plays out. But I'll take them off, clean up those rims, paint them up, put it back together again. Love those original lights. Going to definitely be reusing those. And look at this thing, man. 11 horsepower, 5-speed. I think it's a 36-inch deck, and I'm not positive. I'll have to take measurements on that. Now, one of the rear tires held air all winter. This one here's got a lot of dry cracking on it, but it's possible that I can salvage that with a tube. It's amazing with an inner tube, it doesn't really matter how bad the sidewalls are. As long as it's got tread, it'll hold tight. So, take a look at that. It's not really in that bad a shape. The Roper Rally. Looking on the internet, not a lot of information about these. Not sure where they were sold. Not sure a lot of things. The battery lives down in there. Parking brakes here. Still have some of those details, so we'll leave that. There's our light switch. That switch kills me, man. It's just literally an on-off. Looks like something I got from Radio Shack. Run start switch. I do need a key, so I'll have to replace that unless I can find that lock is similar to other brands. Choke run start. Integrated gas tank. Oops. There we go. And here's the money here, huh? Briggs & Stratton, flathead, 11 horsepower. Easy to access pretty much everything. You can see there's the steering gear. Right? And we're going to take the fuel tank off, clean it out. Those headlights are sealed beam. I hope they work because there is no way to get those babies again. It actually says garden tractor. Isn't that awesome? Steering linkage is all intact, just needs to be lubricated, cleaned up. Throttle cable works. It's a little sticky though. So it's going to be a fun project. There's not a ton of parts available for this from my searching on the internet, but there's also not a ton of parts that it appears to need other than belts, and I'm sure having that carburetor cleaned out and replaced or repaired. But I'm hoping that the spindles and stuff will spin because that's where I might run into issues. So step one will be to clean it up today. I'm going to wash it off real good, and then we'll drag it inside, lift it up, get that deck off and see just how bad things are there. Once we have it up in the air, pull off the tires, clean those up, put tubes in them, and go from there. We'll get this engine running. That's actually my least of my worries, unless it's locked up. These Briggs engines are pretty much bulletproof. So that should be the easiest part of this adventure. Anyway, I'm bringing you along on this trip. I love doing tractor videos. Take care.